E for egg and E for elephant. F for frog, F for fish. G for goat and G for grass. H for hand, H for hat. I for ink and I for insect. J for juice, J for jar. K for king and K for kite. L for lamp, L for leaf. Live. N for man and M for monkey. N for neck, N for nose. Na. O for ocean, O for oar. P for plum, P for parrot. Pa. Q for queen and Q for quill. Q. R for rope, R for rat. S for sun and S for sunflower. T for tap, T for tub. U for uncle, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for wallet. W for well and W for water. X for box, X for fox. Y for yacht and Y for yellow. U. Z for zoo, Z for zebra.